Hi, Miriam. What?
I'm Mimi.
Mimi, and today's your birthday?
Uh-huh.
How old are you? Count those fingers for me. Tell me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4! Yay! It's your happy birthday. And who got you this package? Who's this package from? Siti and Nana and Khalt Iman.
Yeah, they gave it to me.
Okay, you want to open the box?
Mhm.
Okay.
It has paper. It has paper.
Open it up.
I can't.
Okay, let me help you. Oh my gosh! What is that, Miriam? Wow! Cool. Okay, you want to open up the rest? Come on, what else is in there? Miriam?
What?
What is that? Cookies. Wow, isn't it so beautiful?
Why does cookies?
Eat it. Titi got it for you. Is it delicious?
No, they're cookies.
There ought to be cookies. You don't think they're delicious, Miriam?
What are they?
Oh.
More cookies? Yes.
Well, looks like all the cookies fell out of the box. Here, let's kind of... Mom's going to eat one. Wow. Look at all those cookies on the... Open it up. Wow. 1, 2, 3. I have so many.
Wait, there's more.
Wow, Miriam. Miriam, you're getting so many packages. Oh my. Oh, it's beautiful. Look. Miriam, isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
Wow. See?
I love it.
Wow. Just rip it. Here, I'll help you. I'll help you. What is that? What is it? Turn it over. What is it?
Bobby.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Okay. You have another package.
There's one more big one.
Yeah. Oh, you forgot some pants inside there. Oh gosh, it's so beautiful. Okay. I wonder what it's going to be.
I wonder which can it be? Can it be?
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Rip faster. Faster. Oh my gosh. Oh, what is it? Glitter princess makeup? my gosh, so exciting.
I love this.
Okay, now the biggest package is left. The biggest package.
Here we have a lot of presents.
Oh, and some balloons. There's some balloons in there too. I'll have to blow up. Okay, come on. Open your package. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh.
Birthday!
What could it be? Can you open it?
No.
Here, let me help you. You're so excited? Okay, ready? Open it! What is it? Oh my gosh, it looks like it's a big one. What is that? Look, wait, you didn't even look. It's dress-up clothes, look. Oh my gosh, so cool. Wow. What's the suitcase? What's in the suitcase? Oh my god. Say thank you, Siti, Nadia, Iman.
Thank you, Siti, and me, and I am man.
Blow kisses.
Mwah!
Say I love you.
I love you. Can I see them?